Hello. Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna take you to come see my garden today. My garden is gonna be like, oh my god, look at the tomato. See my tomato? It's beautiful gardens guys, and I'm gonna show you. Look, that's a cute, I don't know what kind of cucumber I didn't grow it. It's a wonderful I don't know, I love it. Look at the garden, see the flower. See that? I want to say beautiful guy. Who wants some, come pick it up, okay? Because I cannot eat all by myself. That is too much. You know, these tomatoes, one thing about this tomato, if you have to climb, they will climb up, they will grow some more and more and more for you because they have to climb. See that? Beautiful, guys. Oh my god, I enjoy my plants. Love my plants. And check this out. Banana tree. I put banana tree down here because it's my culture, you know, the Laos, Asian people, they love banana in their house. And all over there. And they cut to use this leaf, banana tree. You use this leaf when you're cooking. Or wrapping something. Also, banana go up. Gardens make you enjoy and then relaxing and make you busy. That's the reason why I love garden. And next year I'm gonna grow some more. I'm gonna artificial make the garden box. You know, the garden plant like higher, so I can do more things and enjoy life at the same time. Make me feel like stay younger. You know, when I do the garden, make me feel stay young. Organic food, vegetable. Love my garden, guys. I don't care. Come pick it up. Look at this. Eat my tomato? Okay, no problem. Eat it. Okay, no problem. I don't mind. Eat. Guys, this is joy of my life. No, not only me. You know, I think joy is for everybody. You can grow all the vegetables. I love plants. I love plants. Love. Inside my house, a lot of plants. I can benefit, eat them. You know, this and that. Flower, but I don't plant because they're wasting my space. Lao basil on the three bunch, 3 cloves. and you can eat all year long. This is beautiful, and the herb and benefits. See that down there? I cannot pick it up. Then they fall down on the floor. And okay, let them fall down in the dirt. This year they will grow back again. I know they grow back again. Beautiful. All right, guys, we're gonna keep going, and I'm gonna share with you my plant. Enjoy, and Friday, happy Friday.